Welcome back. This week, I have another painting that I painted live on Twitch. This painting took me around an hour and 15 minutes, and I've sped it up where the total length is about 1 minute and 40 seconds. If you want to watch me paint live, you can follow my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/twowheelsandcoffee. Otherwise, you can subscribe here if you just want to see the time lapses. This is a painting of a picture I found on Reddit. As of recording this voiceover, my internet's down and I can't find who posted it, but I'll leave an update in the comments once I have it. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks.